Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson of L. Hutchinson Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to hammer copper for jewelry. Here I have a small flower that I've cut out of a sheet of copper, an anvil, and a chasing hammer. A chasing hammer has an almost flat side here. It's very slightly convex. You don't want it to be completely flat because that might mar the surface of the metal, but you don't want it to be too convex because then you'll only get contact with this point, which will give you the effect that a ball peen will give you. You don't want that. You already have that effect on this side. This side you want to be able to flatten the metal. This side gives you that little rippled effect. And I'll show you right now. Now I'm going to use an anvil to put the copper on. You don't want to do it directly on your furniture. You'll mar the surface. So for instance, if you wanted to straighten out the metal a little bit, you would use the chasing side and you just tap it against the flat surface of the anvil like this. If you want to texture it like this, you use the ball peen side and you just put little taps till you get the effect that you want. Or say you want to curve it a little bit. You can do it against the curved portion of the anvil. Just put it against that and using your chasing side, just mold it to that like this. And that's how you can hammer copper for jewelry. My name is Linda Hutchinson. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.